Hi YouTube, it's Hair and Mo here, bringing you do-it-yourself hair tutorials. Please like and subscribe down below. Today I will be showing you how to do a simple line and taper on curly hair using the clipper over comb method. You will need a brush, a rat tail comb, a big comb or pick, and of course your liners. I'm using the razor edger by Wall. Disclaimer: I am not a barber, but I am a licensed cosmetologist. I'm only giving you tips on things you can do at home yourself in between visits to your own barber. First, you want to drape your client. If you don't have a cape, use a towel. This is very important because you don't want the hair to itch your client or cling to their clothes. Next, you want to comb your hair completely out or pick it out. Now we are going to start by lining the perimeter of the head. Start on top of the ear, using the ear as a guide as of what angle you will place the liners. Now you want to place your liners just barely on the edge of the hairline, making the line sharp. This is easy to do if you line your child up a week after the visit to the barbershop, only cleaning up the area that is grown back. I don't know about y'all, but my children's hair grows back really fast, and I have to line them up in between trips to the barbershop. My son never cries at the barbershop, only with me, and he is so sleepy and very dramatic. Basically, you are just cleaning up what your barber did previously. If your child moves a lot, don't hesitate to hold their head against you firmly while you line one side or get someone to help. If you would like to see a video more in detail on how to do the clipper over comb method, like, subscribe, and comment below. Even if you wait longer than 2 weeks after your visit to the barber, you can still see the outline of where you need to place your liners. If this is your first time and you are nervous, just take baby steps and take a little bit off at a time. Now you want to look and make sure both sides are pretty much even. Next, you want to comb your hair completely out or pick it out. Now, for the clipper over comb method, you need a rat tail or an all-purpose comb. You want to place your comb at an angle. You want the bottom of the comb closer to the head and the top at an angle pointed towards you. This is what creates the taper effect. You will do this all around the bottom of the head, making sure you place the comb at the same angle every time and trimming those hairs that are sticking out. You will do this all around the back and the sides, making sure you place the comb at the same angle each time. If this is your first time using clippers and you are afraid that you are going to mess up, only trim small amounts of hair at a time until you feel more comfortable. Now I am just combing through to see if there's any hair that looks out of place. If you would like to see a video more in detail on how to do the clipper over comb method, like, subscribe. I pretty much leave the top part of the hair alone, unless it's something that's just sticking out drastically. Now I am cleaning the hair off of his neck using a wipe. I am using Eco Styler gel, just a small dab, just enough to get the hair moist enough to curl. Now that we have achieved our desired result, I want to thank you for watching.